Hello YouTube, today we're going to talk about a vertical cheese harp that I make. It's made out of cherry wood and stainless steel wire. Instead of having the wires horizontal, which is the traditional curd cutter spun in the pot, this one is designed to make the vertical cut. So it has a series of stainless steel wires that slice the curd to make the vertical cuts as needed, as if you would use a curd knife. So we're going to go ahead and use this on a blue cheese today. Looking forward to using it. The vertical curd cutter is about 4 inches, a little less than 4 inches wide and about 15 inches long. It will cut in the pot about 11 inches deep. So when you stand it up in the pot, you see the vertical wires there. Get this to focus. Vertical wires will slice through. We'll draw it from the pot from front to back and then from side to side. Today's recipe I'm using is from Ricky Carroll's book, Home Cheese Making. It's the blue cheese recipe she recommends first, and it uses 1/2 inch curds. And has stainless steel wires that are spaced at 1/2 inch for the cut. So this rides in the bottom of the pot and cuts vertically when we're ready to go. Here are both of my curd cutters next to each other. On the top is the curd cutter that will cut the horizontal curds, and that'll be spun around inside the pot. On the bottom is the vertical curd cutter. You can see, if you look closely, that on the top one the wires run from side to side of the unit, and on the bottom one they run vertically. So you can see they run at 90 degrees to each other. Okay, now we're going to check for a clean break. That looks really good. So I'm good to go. Okay, first I'm going to use the horizontal cheese harp, which will let me take the slices horizontally. Focus that up a little bit. There you go. Okay, so I insert this in the center and then spin it around, and you can see those wires are cutting that. You can't see, but you can assume those wires are cutting those horizontal layers. That aside, and now I'll take my new vertical knife and put that into the pot in the back, and then draw it forward, and it's cutting one row. Put it in angled and then turn it and cut the other row, and put this one in over here angled, turn it and then pull and take it out. Now so that made them in one direction. Now repeat the process in the other direction. Across, angle to start, turn it square and then run it and finish it with an angle and bring it up. And on this side we take and do the same. Turn it, pull it through, turn it up, take it out, and we should be all set. So let's check. Let me grab my spoon, my stirrer, and we'll lift these up and see what we've got. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful 1/2 inch cuts. This is the most consistent I've ever made it. Look at those. All throughout, up and down. Perfect. I'm really happy.